honey, guess what?
I don't want to guess. What the fuck have you been?
I just got off work.
What do you mean you just got off work? Why haven't you answered my calls?
No, I can't answer my phone there.
You need to answer me when I call you.
Okay, just go back.
You know what? Just get my things.
When it comes to domestic violence, this is known as the tension stage. During this phase, the victim often feels as though they are walking on eggshells, being extra careful not to trigger any explosion. The abuser may be moody or irritable, therefore the victim senses a growing tension in the abuser and fears that the abuse could occur at any given moment. I'm so glad we came to the park today.
Yes, I am too. It's so nice out today.
Do you remember when we met here?
Yes, I remember. We put our initials.
Yeah. On the tree.
It was so much fun that day.
Yeah.
It was.
So how have you been?
I've been good. How have you been?
Good.
Yeah. Good. It's been a couple of days. Yeah, I haven't seen you. I missed you.
Me too. Who are you texting?
Oh, just my best friend.
What is that about? Like, what is she texting you?
Oh, she just wanted to say hi.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'll put my phone away.
It seems suspicious to me.
Why?
Just give me your phone.
Don't break it again. It was nothing.
What the fuck are you guys talking about? Like,
She just wanted to say hi. She's my best friend. It was. Don't. Why'd you throw
because I
it?
wanted to.
Why? It's already messed up.
Get on my fucking nerves. Like, you texting in front of my face.
I was
you
just. I want to get my phone. What are you doing? We're at the park. Are you serious? Stop.
Don't you ever fucking do that again. I hate when you do things like this. I'm sorry.
Fucking go.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Go with that bitch who texted you. Let's get the fuck out of here.
And go.
When it comes to domestic violence, it is known as the explosion phase. When the tension peaks, the physical abuse begins. It is usually triggered by the presence of an external event or by the abuser's emotional state, but not by the victim's behavior. It would mean that the start of the battery episode is unpredictable and beyond the victim's control. However, some experts believe that in some cases, victims may unconsciously provoke the abuse so they can release the tension and move on to the honeymoon phase.
Scene.
You look very pretty today, honey. You know, it's good that we're out here. I just wanted to apologize to you for what happened last night. I just didn't mean to explode in front of your family. And it's just that you got me mad. You did. Most of the time you always get me mad. And I just want to promise you that it won't happen again. I promise you. It won't happen again. So, I got you something, a gift. Yes, it's for you. I hope you like it. So,
Go.
When it comes to domestic violence, this is known as a honeymoon phase. First, the abuser is ashamed of their behavior and they express remorse and tries to minimize the abuse and might even blame it on the partner. Then the abuser may exhibit some loving, kind behavior followed by apologies, generosities, and helpfulness. So basically, he'll give her something like chocolates, flowers, or even take her out to dinner. This abuser attempts to convince the partner that the abuse will not happen again, and the victim feels that it will not be necessary for her to